Welcome guys, today I will be doing a quick unboxing and go through on the Microtech Socom Elite Manual. So these have been kind of tough to get with Microtech being Microtech and then supposedly COVID issues, but we'll see. So we have our box, little manual, there's a sticker inside which is kind of cool, and our sharp-edged, hopefully, Microtech Socom Elite. Now this is the non-Bravo version, so this is a made in the USA knife. And I did get it in black, and it has the two-tone blade. The fit to finish on this is amazing. It's weighty in hand, but not too heavy. And this is a half serration model. So drop point, half serration. For a long time, I've been a huge Microtech fan. This is one of my all-time favorite knives. When I was a kid, they were making the Kestrels, the Lightfoots, but I've always had a Socom. And then I feel for a couple of years, Microtech quality kind of went down the drain. I'm happy to say that I no longer feel that way after having this in hand, and I would love to see a Bravo to compare it against. This is a made in the USA one, and this date is 2/23. The blade is M390, super sharp. Beautiful knife, beautiful knife. The weight is perfect. You really cannot go wrong if you're looking for a folder. Then the Socom Elite, the lockup is super positive. I always feel like this weight from the top into the mechanism is always ultra smooth, and it just helps you get that super positive lockup every time with little to no effort. I love this as a folder. I've owned so many knives in the past and this is just beautiful to me. This is definitely artwork to me. I can't say enough nice things about the Socom models in general. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to get this in an all black Tonto as well, so that's next on my wish list. Thanks for tuning in, guys.